Hi to everyone and welcome. If you want to build your own website for any purpose that you want, for your business, for your college maybe, or high school project, or for your blog, and you searching for a reliable platform that can make that happen, definitely you need to watch this video, because in this video I want to show you step-by-step tutorial of how to edit the website, how to build your own web page, and how to make it beautiful, how to make it very powerful. And before I've started to show you all the things that you need to know to build your own website, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily get access to this fantastic and very powerful platform with a big discount for our subscribers, for our friends. So join. Let's jump into dashboard, and I'm gonna show you all you need to know, all the core knowledges that you need to know to build your own web page fast, easy, and without an extra knowledges as coding or web design and so on. So jump into dashboard. When you're gonna be, you need to log in or sign up or to create a new account. This is very easy and I will not show it to you. When you're gonna be on the dashboard, you need to press just create a website, and the platform itself will ask you what is the purpose of your what is your business. It's online store, photography, music, fitness. It will save you tons of time and efforts of building your own website, because there are tons of pre-made templates and you can just edit things a little bit and it's gonna happen very fast and instantly. You can let Wix ADI create a website for you, answering a few simple questions about your business, and you will get a ready product, or you can choose a template. I will press choose a template, and there you go. Like tons of interesting templates that in the whole list of options. What for you need a web page. So I just want to show you the core knowledges of how to edit things and how to move things and how to combine your web page to one. So let's just choose any template from the big list, and I want to try this video as short as possible, not to waste your time. That's why I will show you the core knowledges of how to manage site. So let's start from the start. You have this menu of the site history, transfer and exit editor, settings. This is very important thing, because you need to pass all this stuff, like favicon, business info, social share, and so on, just to make your site visible for all the customers and for your visitors. And actually all you need to use, if you're a newbie, if you did not made some sites before, you will need to use menus and pages, background, add button. Of course, this is very important thing. Theme manager, add apps, media, and start blogging, so on. This is not very important for now. Menus and pages, background, add, and theme manager. Let's start from the beginning. This is important thing. Also switch to mobile version, because you definitely need to check how your web page will be displayed on different types of mobile devices, because tons of traffic nowadays flows from mobile devices, from tablets, from smartphones, and up to 60% actually flows from the mobile devices, and that's very important. So let's jump to edit these things. Here in menus and pages, you will find all the site menu, all the pages that lay under the home page. Actually, to build a normal website or landing page, you need the home page, you need the description of your business, you need to describe it, you need to show your visitors what is your business. and like home, about, and contact information of how to reach you. If, for example, I don't know your business and I'm visiting your site for the first time, for example, that should be easy to find all the contact information to get in touch with you. Here, if you're pressing this 3 dots button, you will find the settings, SEO, social share, and so on and so on, and you can copy, duplicate, show or delete, hide or show or delete the page. Here in the settings, interesting and very important information also. You heading from menu the homepage, layouts. You can use the standard one with a header and footer, or no header and footer in case, for example, if you have a big video for the whole page for introduction, it could be handy to show it without this navigation menu and so on. Permissions, you can make it. You can make your site for everyone, or for password holders, or for members only if you have some exclusive content, for example, for those people who signed up for your updates. SEO, also very important thing. You should check that, but this video is not about that. But you definitely need to update your site for SEO issues, because in that case search engines will find you and will index your site in the search engines. Social share, here you can upload the image, and if you will share your site, your link to Facebook or Instagram or some else social media platforms, you like will be displayed like this. Advanced SEO, okay, just jumping out from here, and let's go to theme manager, because that's also very important. You can choose the themes right here, and you see the text is, the color of the text is changing instantly. The container boxes also will be the other color, and so on and so on. This is the color scheme that your site will use. This is very useful if you're building your site like from scratch, and it can be handy because all the palette is already pre-made for you and so on. Okay, let's jump to edit this site. There's a header up here, and you can manage columns. You can change strip background. That's actually not header, this is strip. No, there's a header. One column, second column, and third column. Okay, it's not important. Let's choose this this strip. This one column here, one second column is here. You can like divide all these things. You can move them around. Let's change color background and make it none. Probably this is the background of the whole page. Yeah. Here you can find the background of the page, and you can use any picture from this big list from Wix Images, or you can apply the video here, or you can add a color. For example, let's change it to this. You see it changes instantly, and that looks pretty great if you want to build something with a and you know which color will you use, because maybe you have a logo of some color, blue one, or so on and so on, or you can use a background like this, for example, and this is the background for the whole page. Then we have this columns, we have the strips. It's some kind of sections that you can add or delete, and it's pretty visible and pretty understandable from here. You see there's just only one strip here. Just acting in this mode. I will show you how to manage this thing. When you press on the add button, you see the first thing that you can add is a strip. Strip is already ready pre-made things for you to like insert to your web page. Okay, now we have a couple strips. Let's zoom out and preview. And now you see that you have a strip, just one, because all that behind this strip is a web page itself. It's a background of a web page. You can move these things up or down. Let's just exit this mode. The strip itself, because here this is not the strip itself. This is a strip and it divided to columns. I want to show you very interesting and important thing. You can move all the things around, all the elements you can move and replace them as you want, and this is very powerful, because a lot of other platforms not allows you to do that. They just placing your elements in the order that already pre-made, and here you have fully customizable things that you can move literally everywhere. Okay, how to edit the text? When you double click on this text, you see that the tabs is heading, fonts. You can change fonts instantly, and there are tons of them. You can use all of that, font size, bold, and so on, alignment, and all the things. Even effects, you can add an effect, but you should be careful with that. Actually, I don't prefer to use this effects. It's kind of minimal. It looks cool and nice. And little advice: don't use the fonts in your site. You should use 3 fonts maximum and 3 colors maximum, and in that case your web page will look like balanced and professional. So this is small advice for you. Any type of things you can manage here. Heading 2, for example, yeah, and the size of it, you can resize all these blocks here to make that happen as you want, yeah. Fonts, here's a basic font. Let's make it basic also. Yeah, that looks great. That looks bigger than it was. So I want to make it smaller. I want to move this thing and move this thing to right here, and so on, yeah. There's the strips, you can move them around also. And when you press it on this strip, you see the settings of the strip itself. You can change the color, image, video, as with the background of the whole page. Let's change it to, let's change video. Also, if you don't have your own media, some pre-made things that you prepared for your business, you can use the videos and images from Wix, or you can find it in Shutterstock if you need the great content and you didn't create it before. So anything that you want can be changed on this things, on this editing things, and you can really get the totally customized web page. Yeah, you see all, you can move around and a button. Okay, this is a key thing. The second key thing is to add, let's add some more strips. Team, for example. You can just choose it, or you can drag and drop things, and after you can reorder them to the order that you want. Actually, you see this, there's a parallax effect, and the picture of the background of whole picture of whole your website stays there, and all those strips you can move all those strips like easily, and very pretty. It's column background. This is a column, or you can use the containers, or you can use the columns and you can change column background and so on and so on. All the editing features are pretty understandable and pretty clear how to make it. With this add thing, you can add an image and button. I want to show you, or gallery decorated, this list of, and you can like spend centuries with the idea of how to make it happen with your own order, as you want, as you wish. So when you add in things, interesting stuff with the button, for example, button, you need to apply the call to actions on the whole your page, because your visitor need to understand what the purpose of your landing page or the web page is, to discover what is your business and to act, to leave some contact information, or to call you, or to I don't know, to get in touch with you. Button. This is a very important thing when you using the button. There's layouts, design, animation, and this is a little chain button. This is very important. Link. What's gonna happen when somebody will press this button? I prefer to use the email feature, because in that case, when somebody will press the button, he will be able to email you, and you will get notification in your inbox. And after that, you can add this contact to your email list of your email marketing provider, and you can work with that potential customer to bring him the physical customer, to make them, all those people, to buy some goods or services that you're selling. Then you introduce it on this web page. So make sure that you have the link. You can make it with a web address, page anchor, top or bottom of the page, document, email, phone number, and lightbox. So I prefer to use email or phone number. Phone number you can use for a mobile version of your web page, in that case from mobile phone, when somebody will discover your landing page or web page from the device that he can call straight out from this device. It can be great to call you, or you can choose the email. I'm choosing the email in most cases. That's why it's like very useful feature. So there's apps. I want to say a couple words about the apps. You can discover tons of very interesting and useful services inside the box of Wix platform, or outside the box, like MailChimp, Forms. So you can integrate even Google Ads to your page and so on. You definitely need to check that before you go in live, because it's like pretty fantastic tools. For example, MailChimp, Forms, you just apply a form to your website, and if you have the MailChimp account, the potential customer will jump straight to your email list, and you can send them the notifications, updates of your products and services, and so on and so on. You need to check that for sure. Media, very interesting thing. Also, Video Maker and Photo Studio, you can edit photos and videos. And as I told you, you can build your web page literally on the content that pre-made, the free stock photos and videos from Wix platform or from the Shutterstock. So actually, that's pretty it. Everything is pretty changeable. Everything you can grab and move around the whole page, and this is pretty good idea, because actually you can like play around with all these features like all day, weeks, and like months, or for centuries, to find the great way of of building your own web page. And that's what I wanted to say, that this is all that I told you is core knowledge of how to manage things, and you can combine your site with all this pre-made already things, and just to change some content, just to type down your descriptions, type down your text. And actually, that all lays in the text, videos, and photos. Yeah. So I showed you how to manage text, videos, and photos, how to change the fonts, how to change the backgrounds, and this is really core knowledge that you need to know to start building your own web page. Want to remind you that our team left the link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily find that link and you can get access to Wix platform with a big discount for our subscribers and our friends. So join and start building your web page on this fantastic tool. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed, hope this was useful, and hope this all makes sense for you, because probably you need to build your own web page. Good luck, thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.